questions surrounding artificial intelligence have been in hot debate for many years now. But could it be we are at the cusp of a monumental shift where technology is advancing so fast that it is challenging our very perceptions of what is reality? While some are warning of robots taking over the hands that built them, others are claiming a more subtle approach is at hand. Tasks that were once deemed only doable by humans are now showing to be capable of being done by artificial intelligence, and as a matter of fact, faster, for longer periods of time, and cheaper. Enter ChatGPT, a powerful language model created by OpenAI. Now you may be asking, what's a language model? A language model can simply be described as a computer program that is trained to develop a series of outputs based on its own determination of sequences of words, sounds, and more. We've all seen it done before, such as speech to text, or translation of one language from one to another. So what's the big deal about ChatGPT and what sets it apart from the rest? GPT is a language-based model that everybody's familiar with in the form of chatbots. What makes ChatGPT very interesting is that it is able to not only initiate, but lead conversation. From the get-go, you might be thinking of customer service jobs or places that you might have called into to schedule appointments and find out information about a store or restaurant or brand. But it goes far further than that. If AI is able to construct such a complex set of functions simply through language, imagine the next stage of possibilities when it can construct a sequence of events using sounds, images, and videos combined simply by scanning everything that is on the web. Now there's obviously some pros to this. As you can see, many companies are already utilizing a form of this technology currently. We mentioned natural language processing, where a chatbot can initiate and carry on a conversation so naturally that the other user may never even know that it's AI on the other end of the conversation. One of the other features of ChatGPT is its ability to maintain contextual understanding. So while the emotional piece of it may be out of the window, Chat AI is able to maintain a level of conversation that simply just gets to the facts, gets the information to the person that's asking for them, and do it in such a way that it aligns exactly with whatever it is being programmed to do. Roles such as customer service jobs and virtual assistants appear to be the most threatened in this particular scenario, but the rabbit hole goes deeper. Imagine being able to use ChatGPT to generate a speech, pump out your social content in a matter of seconds, or write that hit song that you've been wanting to land for so long. I want to give you a visual of just how simple it really is to do something like this. Here's the interface for ChatGPT. I'm going to ask it to write me a poem. So in 3, 2, well, that was done within less than a second. It started moving on this, as you can see. Now obviously you can see it's pretty basic in its context, but it's actually getting the job done. All right, let's ask for iteration of this. Rewrite this with a humorous tone. And as you can see, in a blink of an eye, it's able to do exactly what we're asking it to do. Pretty interesting, huh? As we mentioned, there are some pros to using this particular type of technology. On the opposite side of the spectrum, obviously the technology is biased in its ability to construct information and spit it out. While it is able to maintain contextual understanding, its limited understanding prohibits it from being able to get in depth with specific meanings, perhaps slang, and cultural differences and nuances. Being that it is a computer program, it is limited by its domain knowledge as well. Meaning while it may be able to engage in conversation and initiate even ongoing conversation, it is limited by what it has access to. On a larger scale, this does raise privacy concerns as well. Overall, ChatGPT is phenomenally useful if you know how you're going to be using it. Whether that be for constructing a social post that you plan to push out on the web, rewriting a blog and turning it into a speech script, or writing a poem for that special someone who you just can't find the words for. Does ChatGPT signal a red flag that AI is one step closer to taking over humanity? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll catch you next time.